10. Fuel myths. Most people still believe. Are you throwing money away at the pump because you believe common fuel myths? Let's debunk some of the most persistent misconceptions about gasoline and how it affects your car. Prepare to have your fuel-related beliefs challenged. Many drivers think premium fuel automatically boosts performance. But is it really worth the extra cost? Premium fuel is designed for engines with high compression ratios. Unless your car's manual specifically recommends it, you're likely wasting money. Regular fuel will work just fine. The idea that gasoline is denser in the morning due to cooler temperatures is a widespread belief. But is there any truth to it? Modern gas station tanks are underground, where temperatures remain relatively stable. The difference in density is negligible, so filling up at any time of day won't significantly impact your fuel economy. Air conditioning can impact fuel efficiency, but the effect is often overstated. Let's look at the real impact. At lower speeds, opening windows creates more drag, reducing fuel economy. At highway speeds, AC is often more efficient than driving with the windows down. Fuel additives promise increased performance and fuel economy, but do they live up to the hype? Most modern fuels already contain detergents to keep your engine clean. Unless you have a specific issue, additives are often unnecessary and can be a waste of money. Idling is a common practice, especially in cold weather. But is it the most efficient way to warm up your engine? Modern engines warm up faster when driven gently. Idling actually wastes fuel and can cause engine wear. Start driving shortly after starting the engine. Octane boosters claim to increase your car's horsepower, but how effective are they in reality? Most octane boosters provide only a marginal increase in octane levels. The impact on horsepower is usually minimal and not worth the cost for most drivers. Many people try to squeeze every last drop into their fuel tank. But is this a safe and efficient practice? Topping off can damage your car's vapor recovery system. It can also lead to fuel spills and is generally not recommended. Stop filling when the pump clicks off automatically. Some believe that gasoline degrades rapidly, but how long does fuel really last? Gasoline can last for several months, especially if stored properly. Adding a fuel stabilizer can extend its lifespan even further. Hypermiling involves extreme driving techniques to maximize fuel economy, but are these techniques always safe and effective? Some hypermiling techniques, like drafting behind trucks, are dangerous and illegal. Focus on safe and consistent driving habits for the best fuel economy. While all gas stations must meet minimum standards, there can be differences in fuel quality. Let's explore this. Some gas stations use higher quality detergents and additives. Researching brands known for quality fuel can be beneficial for your engine's long-term health. So, there you have it. 10 fuel myths debunked. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions at the pump and keep your car running smoothly. Ready to take control of your car's maintenance? Subscribe to our channel for more expert tips and tricks. Like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Leave a comment below and tell us which myth surprised you the most. Also, check out the links in the description for recommended products and services to optimize your fuel efficiency. Drive safe and stay informed.